Welcome to Wanderway. Imagine a place in Ontario, Canada, where turquoise waters meet dramatic cliffs. That's Tobermory. Located at the tip of the Bruce Peninsula, this small harbor town has become a favorite destination for nature lovers, especially during the summer. But what makes Tobermory truly special isn't just its landscape. It's the crystal clear water that hides an entirely different world beneath the surface. Tobermory is home to Fathom 5 National Marine Park, a protected area that contains over 20 historic shipwrecks. And the best way to experience this underwater heritage is by joining one of the boat tours that depart from the harbor. In this video, I will walk you through what these tours offer, what to expect, and why they're such an unforgettable experience. Boat tour programs. Most boat tours in Tobermory follow a three-part route: departure from the harbor, a visit to shallow coves where shipwrecks rest, and a cruise to Flowerpot Island. The glass-bottom boats are the most popular choice, as they let you see the wrecks clearly through large viewing panels in the floor. A guide provides brief background information about each shipwreck as you pass over it. Some tours focus only on the shipwreck route, while others include a stop at Flowerpot Island, with free time on shore. Tours typically last between 1.5 hours and 4 hours, depending on the package. If you're short on time, a quick shipwreck tour is enough. But if you want to hike, take photos, and explore more, the full experience with an island visit is absolutely worth it. Flowerpot Island. Named after the unique rock formations along its shores, Flowerpot Island lies about 6.5 kilometers off the coast of Tobermory. Some boat tours drop passengers off on the island and allow a few hours of free time. Once you're there, you'll find scenic trails, natural caves, wildlife, and a historic lighthouse. You can enjoy the view, take photos, or even cool your feet in the shallow shoreline. While there are no designated swimming spots, the island feels like an open-air museum for nature lovers. Be sure to wear hiking shoes or water-resistant sandals. The trails are rocky and natural. Shipwrecks and the National Park. Tobermory is located within the Fathom 5 National Marine Park, Canada's first national marine park. It's a paradise for divers thanks to the many well-preserved shipwrecks that rest beneath the surface. The most famous of these is the Sweepstakes, which sank in 1885 and has remained remarkably intact ever since. Glass-bottom boats approach the wreck slowly, and because the water is so clear, you can easily see the hull and details of the ship with the naked eye. Another noteworthy wreck is the city of Grand Rapids, also featured on many tours. For anyone interested in underwater history, these tours are an absolute must. Boat tour prices and practical info. Boat tours in Tobermory run from late May to early October, with most departures scheduled between 9 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. During the high season, especially in July and August, tour frequency increases. The two most popular tour companies are Blue Heron Cruises and Bruce Anchor Cruises, both of which offer a variety of tour options, including shipwreck-only cruises and those that include Flowerpot Island. As of summer 2025, prices are 45 to 65 Canadian dollars for adults. Discounted tickets and family packages are available. Tickets can be booked online through the company's official websites. Since tours fill up quickly, especially on weekends, advance booking is highly recommended. For the best experience, go in the morning. The water is calmer, the visibility is clearer, and the lighting is ideal for both photos and videos. Tobermory's boat tours are more than just scenic rides. They offer a glimpse into a submerged past and the chance to connect with nature in a truly unique way. If you're looking for something unforgettable during your time in Canada, make sure Tobermory is on your list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Wanderway, give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. See you on the next adventure.